What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of 1 over square root of 3x plus 5, and another example we do it later on. So how do we do it? We have 1 over 3x plus 5 to the power of 1 over 2. So the best thing is to move this one to numerator. It's going to be 3x plus 5 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So derivative, if you have u to the power of n, and u is the function of x, is going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So that's going to be negative 1 over 2 times 3x plus 5 to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 1 times derivative of 3x plus 5, which is going to be 3. So that's going to be negative 3 over 2 times 3x plus 5 to the power of negative 3 over 2. So that's going to be negative 3 over square root of 3x plus 5 to the power of 3. Let's see the next example. We have 1 over square root of x squared minus 2, which is going to be 1 over x squared minus 2 to the power of 1/2. When you bring it in numerator, it's going to be x squared minus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So y prime will be negative 1 over 2 times x squared minus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 1 times derivative of x squared minus 2, which is going to be 2x. 2 times negative 1 over 2 is going to be negative 1 times x is going to be negative x times x squared minus 2 to the power of negative 3 over 2. So it's going to be negative x over square root of x squared minus 2 to the power of 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry.